on this knife sharpening system. This is Farrier Products knife sharpening system. Comes with a felt wheel, a Baldor buffer. It's a 1/4 horse, runs at 1800 RPM, and a deburring wheel. But in this demonstration, you notice that there's a groove cut in the felt. The deburring wheel doesn't have a groove. That groove is to put the hook of your knife in and be able to sharpen inside the hook. But we don't have that on there, so we're going to show you how to cut a groove in the deburring wheel. So we've set up some blocks of wood. We have a 2x4 and a 4x4. But the important thing is I want my cutter to line up with the center of that shaft, like that. My cutter is just an old rasp. What I've done is to sharpen the end, I put a bevel on it, sharpened this upper lip. The deburring wheel is pretty abrasive and it usually takes this off, and we may have to sharpen it now and then, but we're just going to kind of show you real quick. We may not finish it. So we'll turn this on. I'm going to take the hook, my knife. I can put the hook right here, pick my handle up, and this will tell me how far I need to be in. There's my line. Now I can come in with my block and my cutter, and I can start sculpting this out. See what it did to my cutter? But I think I have enough groove in just one pass. Let's see. That's not bad.